In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the system navigation style on Motorola mobile phones. You can either use gesture navigation or the 3-button navigation, and if you are using gestures, you can even enable the circle to search option. So make sure to follow the steps that I'm about to show you to avoid any errors or confusion. To enable this, open the settings on your Motorola mobile phone, then scroll down and choose the gestures option. There you will see system navigation, tap on it. Currently it is set to gestures navigation. If you want, you can switch to 3-button navigation as well. And if you tap the settings icon beside these options, you will unlock some additional controls. For example, if you are using button navigation, you can change the button order. If you are using gestures navigation, you can enable or disable features like swipe for assistant, adjust the left and right edge sensitivity to go back, and even choose to show or hide the navigation bar. And here is one more thing. The circle to search option is available for both navigation styles. So you don't have to worry about missing out on it. Personally, I prefer using gestures navigation because it gives me a little more screen space, which feels great during day-to-day tasks. And that's it guys. This is how you can change the system navigation on your Motorola mobile phone. Don't forget to like and share this video so we can reach more Motorola users like you. Also, subscribe for more tips and tricks along with the gadget and mobile reviews on this channel.